happened. That was a lot of fire.
No, that happens all the time.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's happened like for the past 2 years.
That was it.
There's smoke. You can see actual black smoke. That was awesome. Look at the clouds. They're all black.
You guys, that was really bad.
And look over. You can't see.
All right, guys.